friends, it's Jessie here. I am back with another video, and I have my weekly grocery haul for you today. It's a very small haul. We are focusing this week on using up what we have in our pantry and in our refrigerator and in our freezer. And so we bought just some staples that we needed, some produce, some bread, milk, that sort of thing. So I did the Walmart grocery pickup as per usual. I spent just under $50. And I'm going to share with you what I picked up. So we were all out of milk. The kids have been eating cereal. They've been home for their winter break. So we needed another gallon of milk. Picked up a dozen eggs. We needed bread, so I got a loaf of the white sandwich bread and a loaf of the wheat so that we have the variety. I also picked up an Italian loaf. This is unsliced, so we can slice it ourselves. And I picked up some hot dog buns. We've got some hot dogs in the freezer that I want to use up. Next up, we have some produce. Got a bag of these little mandarin oranges. This was only $2, so it was a great deal. Some sharp cheddar cheese. I got it in the block form, that way we can slice it up ourselves to use as slices, or we can shred it if we need shredded cheese. It's just a little bit cheaper and a little bit, lasts a little bit longer if you buy it in the block, I think. A couple of sweet potatoes, some bananas, which are quite green, but hopefully they will ripen up nicely on the counter. I got some cucumbers. These make for great snacks and are wonderful in salads. So I picked up those. Also a couple of green bell peppers so we can do some chicken fajitas this week. I got the big head of lettuce. A couple of things of soft tortillas. We ordered the Great Value brand. They substituted for the Mission brand, which is totally fine. Got 2 of those, so 20 tortillas. Some lunch meat for my husband. He just wanted some bologna this week, so I picked that up for him. You guys know how important our coffee is to us, so we got a couple of things of his coffee creamer and another can of coffee. We went through a ton of coffee this week with being up early around Christmas, you know. Got a can of refried beans. That's sort of a staple. I love refried beans. Got my husband a bottle of his favorite tea. I'm trying to cut him down and have him drink less of this. So just 1 bottle this week. And lastly, I got a big family pack of the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Those can be cooked up in numerous ways, and they were a pretty good deal at $1.99 a pound. So that is my little haul for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Just the basics this week. Keeping it low, trying to use up what we have, you know, end of the year, new start stuff. So if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know, subscribe so that you can catch all my grocery hauls as well as all my other content, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!